Welcome. In this basic video, I'll explain how you can reboot Android. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the power off menu, which you can do by either pressing and holding the side power button for a few seconds, simultaneously pressing both volume up and power keys, or you can also go into settings, accessibility, or sometimes the accessibility is hidden in the additional settings or system category of settings, so look for it there if you won't find a separate accessibility category. Here, look for the accessibility shortcut or accessibility menu, something along those lines. Here it is. Now you can switch its shortcut on, and through this shortcut you can also launch the power off menu. Anyway, from here, all that you gotta do is to simply select restart or reboot option, or sometimes in certain smartphones you will need to drag the toggle either to the bottom or to the top to reboot your system, but just do whatever it takes to select the reboot option, and now simply wait for this process to, well, be properly executed. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.